Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to restore all closed tabs in Chrome Mobile. The process is quite simple, but make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you need to do is to head into your Chrome app of your device. So once you've done that, what you need to do is to head in to a Google tab and then just locate the three dots icon located on the upper right corner of your screen. So just simply tap onto that, and from this pop-up window, what you need to do is to find the recent tabs just like so, and then in here you should be able to locate all of your closed tabs. So just select the um, tabs or the pages that you want to restore from here, and what you can also do is to simply tap again the three dots and then go to your history, and then you can also restore all of your closed tabs here from your Chrome mobile. So again, just simply tap into all of the tabs that you want to restore, and that's it. That's how you can restore all of your tabs or closed tabs in Chrome mobile. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.